Professional de-escalation with Safetyman. You need to hear this if you're a manager or team leader. Imagine a situation where a coworker or client becomes agitated. If your team is trained, they can recognize the signs early and manage the situation before it spins out of control. Training in verbal de-escalation begins with understanding emotional triggers. "I understand you're frustrated, and I'm here to help," can be a game changer. Make eye contact, nod, and give verbal cues like "I see" or "go on." Your tone of voice can either escalate or de-escalate a situation. Role-playing different scenarios can be particularly effective. Consistent and professional training is key to mastering these techniques. When employees feel they can openly express their concerns without fear of confrontation, job satisfaction and productivity increase. By mastering verbal de-escalation and winning communication through repeated practice, you're creating a safer, more productive work environment for everyone. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, successful communication is the key to a thriving workplace.